This is the Vtop 2-tier bathroom storage organizer. This is the 4-pack, so it comes with 4 organizers. They come disassembled in the box. There's a user manual with assembly instructions, only 3 steps to assemble. They come very well wrapped in the box. Here are some of the pieces unwrapped. There are 8 cases and 8 trays total. So this is the tray that holds the case. It goes on the bottom, and this is the case that goes on top of the tray. These are the stainless steel rods to support the trays. There are also silicone pads for the top and bottom of the trays. First, I'm inserting 4 rods into one tray. I just push in gently. Here's the close-up look. After that, I put another tray on top and push the rods into the slots of the tray. Then I put in the silicone pads. I'm putting them on the top tray first. There's 1 in each corner, so a total of 4. I push them in like so. I turn the organizer around and put in 4 more silicone pads, 4 on the bottom, 1 in each corner. The silicone will help the organizer not slip around. Lastly, I put the cases on top of the trays, 1 on top and 1 on the bottom. They slide in easily like this. This is what it looks like fully assembled. I repeat the same steps for the other 3 organizers. So I use these organizers under my sink. This is the before and after, another before and after.